Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Faith's Kitchen. For those who are new here, remember to subscribe, to like and share my videos. Remember I told you guys we are in the road to 1000 subscribers. That's what I'm saying. For those who are new here, remember to subscribe, to like and share my videos. Today I'm going to prepare for you guys a very simple menu with a very simple recipe kama kawaida. And guys, it's pilau. For those who've never prepared pilau at their homes, this is the right time for you because I'm going to give you a very simple recipe. Guys, don't go away. Welcome to Faith's Kitchen and you're going to start it right away. With me, I'm having washed rice, ginger, garlic, onions, soy sauce, pilau masala, cooking oil, and boiled beef. First, I'm going to heat my sufuria. I'll make sure it heats well. After that, I'll add my cooking oil. I'll also leave it to heat maybe for 1 second. I'll now add my onions. I'll make sure it is well cooked until it turns to golden brown. I'll also add my ginger. I'll also add my garlic. I'll stir it very well. And I'll make sure all of them cooked until it turns to golden brown. I'll make sure it is well cooked until it turns to golden brown. I'll cover it and leave it to cook for 1 minute. After that, guys, as you can see, it is well cooked. It has turned to golden brown. I'll add my boiled beef. And leave it to cook for 1 minute also. Then I'll add my pilau masala. And stir it very well. I'll also leave it, guys, as you can see. It has turned to golden brown. The meat is now cooked. I'll again add my soy sauce. I'll leave it to cook until it turns to dark brown. Then I'll add a pinch of salt. After that, I'll add rice to it. I'll stir it. And make sure it mixes well. For that, guys, I'll add my measured water. And again, I'll stir it. We'll now leave it to cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, our pilau is ready. Very ready. It's very ready, guys. Just look at it. As you've seen, our pilau is very ready, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos. Until next time, bye.